السلام عليكم وأهلا وسهلا فيكم مرة تانية مع قناة My Own Teacher. اليوم راح يكون معنا حل تمارين درس Science Grade 3. اسم الدرس Kinds of Plants. قبل ما نبدأ حابة أذكركم إذا ما عملتوا سبسكرايب تعملوا سبسكرايب في القناة وتفعلوا زر الجرس ليوصلكم كل جديد. نبدأ حل التمارين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Exercises. Oral questions. What are flowering plants? What are flowering plants? Tell me, my children, the plants which produce flowers, fruits and seeds are called flowering plants. 2. Name the types of plants on the basis of their lifespan. Who can tell me? The types of plants on the basis of their lifespan are annuals, biennials, and perennials. annuals قلنا اللي بتعيش دورة حياتها سنة. biennials دورة حياتها سنتين أو موسمين. perennials بتعيش أكثر من سنتين. Science quiz. Number 1. Name two annual plants. Two annual plants. Sunflower plant, marigold plant. 2. Name two creepers. Pumpkin, watermelon. Worksheet questions, multiple choice. Number 1. Big and tall plants are called trees, herbs, or shrubs. Trees, excellent. 2. The annuals complete their life cycle in 1 year, 2 years, more than 2 years. Annuals, then it's 1 year. Correct answer. Aquatic plants grow. Aquatic, remember. On land, in deserts, in water. In water. Good children. Circle the odd ones. Let's do them together. Number 1. We have here sunflower, we have mustard, and we have neem trees. What do you think? Correct. We will circle neem because sunflower and mustard are flowering plants. Neem is a non-flowering plant. Lotus, cactus, hydrilla. We will circle cactus. It's the odd one. Why? Because cactus is a desert plant while lotus and hydrilla, they are aquatic plants. They grow in water. 3. Mango, rose, fern. Which one we will circle? Fern is the odd one because rose and mangoes are flowering plants. Fern is a non-flowering plant. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Number 1. Space are small plants with woody stems. Shrubs or trees? Shrubs. Shrubs is the correct answer. 2. A space plant completes its life cycle in more than 2 years. More than 2 years. Perennial. Excellent. 3. Plants that grow on land are called space plants. They grow on land. Terrestrial. Excellent. Let's do this together. Match the following. We have here column A, 4 points, and column B, 4 pictures. We have to match the word with the right picture. Aquatic plant. Who can tell me? Yes, D. Aquatic plant. This is a lotus, and lotus plants are aquatic plants. They grow in water. Xerophyte. Xerophyte. Cactus. Excellent, because xerophytes are the plants that grow in desert. Annual. Sunflower plant is an annual plant. Shrub. Rose plant is a shrub plant. We will do section B now. Multiple choice questions, MCQs, scientific practical skills. Rice plant is an plant. Annual, perennial, or biennial? It's an annual plant. Annual plant. 2. Coriander and tulsi plants are herbs, shrubs, trees. Herbs. You are right. Very short answer questions. Number 1. Name 2 non-flowering plants. Moss and fern are non-flowering plants. 2. What are the submerged plants? The plants which grow completely under the water are called submerged plants. For example, hydrilla. Short answer questions. What are trees? Give 2 examples. Who can tell me? Trees are big and strong plants. They have hard and strong stem called the trunk and lives for many years. Example, neem tree and banyan tree. 2. What is the difference between annuals and biennials? Annuals, these plants complete their life cycle in 1 year or 1 season. Example, wheat, sunflower, and peas. Biennials, these plants complete their life cycle in 2 years or 2 seasons. Example, carrot, cabbage, and radish. D. Long answer questions. What are climbers? How are they different from creepers? Some plants have a very weak stem. They cannot stand straight on their own and need some support to climb up. These plants are called climbers. For example, pea and money plant. Creepers have a weak stem and grow along the ground, unlike climbers. Climbers, they climb up. Creepers, they grow along the ground. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. 2. Classify the plants on the basis of their lifespan. Also, give examples of each. On the basis of lifespan, plants can be classified into 3 categories: annuals, biennials, and perennials. Now, the annuals, these plants complete their life cycles in 1 year or 1 season. Example, rice, marigold plant. Biennials, these plants complete their life cycle in 2 years or 2 seasons. For example, carrot and brinjal. Perennials, these plants complete their life cycle in more than 2 years. Example, apple tree and mango tree. Think and answer. Why do biennial plants take 2 years to complete their life cycle? Biennial plants take 2 years to complete their life cycles because in the first year they grow, prepare and store food, and in the second year they produce flowers, fruits and seeds and then die. So in the first year they prepare and store food, then the second year they produce the flowers, fruits and seeds. That's why it takes them 2 years or 2 seasons. 2. How do xerophytes survive in deserts? Who can tell me? Xerophytes survive because their leaves are modified into spines to prevent loss of water. We have here additional question. What are aquatic plants? Explain the types of aquatic plants. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. These are also called hydrophytes. The 2 types of aquatic plants are as follow. 1. We have floating plants. 2. We have submerged plants. The floating plants are aquatic plants which float on the surface of water, are called floating plants. Example, lotus and water hyacinth. The submerged plants are also aquatic plants which grow completely under the water. For example, hydrilla. We are done with answering the question. انتهينا من حل التمارين. شكرا لحسن استماعكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.